everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS using Iriun Webcam. So stay with me while we go ahead. Right, so the first requirement you need is your smartphone, either your Android or your iPhone, and then you also need to install OBS Studio in your computer. So you need to install OBS Studio in your computer. So I will leave the link in the description below. I will leave the link there. You also need Wi-Fi or USB connection. Okay, so that you're able to connect the two of them together. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store and then download Iriun Webcam on your phone. So you need to download it on your phone first.
Alright, so this is my phone. So what I just need to do is to just come here and search for Iriun Webcam for Android, and then just need to click and then you install. So I think I have this installed already and I don't want to update it, so just need to go back, click on it here. So this is how it looks like. This is how the interface looks like. Alright, so with this now our phone is ready to go, and then take note that your Wi-Fi and your system Wi-Fi, they must be connected to one internet connection. Not necessarily internet connection, but then they must be connected to one network. So either you use hotspot for it or any of them. So first of all, you must have them connected to one network.
So once you download it, you also go to Iriun Webcam. Use their website. The link will also be in the description below. So come here, iriun.com, and then once you click on enter, you would be redirected to this website where you can download either for Windows or for Mac. So you could download for any device you're using now. So after downloading, for me I'm using Windows, so after downloading, this is the file now, so you just run it. Right, so take notes of this that you need to, once you want to set this up, this needs to be set to 4 numbers of cameras. So Iriun, the good thing about Iriun is that it has the option to carry 4 cameras. So you can actually add 4 different cameras sync together, and you can have a very good let's say stream or video. So you can actually add 4 cameras to your OBS as a webcam, and you can switch the 4 of them. So this must be set to 4 for you to access that feature. So after changing this, you can now click on accept, then maybe you read this and then you accept. So you click on next, and then you install. So we are done, so let's click on finish. Okay, so this is actually how it looks like. This is the interface. So you can see camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, depending on the numbers of cameras you want. So now take note that both the phone and your PC must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So for it, once you connect the both of them together and then you open your Iriun app on your phone, it's going to automatically connect once the both of them. So this is actually how it looks like. So once you connect, so you can actually connect, once you connect another phone that has Iriun on the phone, once you just connect it, it's going to show you as 2, 3 and the likes of them. So this is one camera. So how do we add it now to OBS? So to add it up to OBS is what you need to do, you come back to OBS and then under sources now, under sources, you click on this plus here. That's to add. Then you click on video capture device. Right, so I think we have one here. So let's just call this 2. Call this count. Alright, so this is actually me. It's actually me. So let me just add this now to show the difference between my webcam and then that of my phone. So Control S to make it full screen. So I use Control S for that. So let me add up. Let me add this up now. So the webcam. So I click on Add and then I think I added it already. Let's just use this. Then let me select Iriun. Right. So now this is it. This is actually my phone. So if I click on Cut now, it's going to move it to main screen. Alright, so what you need to do is basically connecting your phone and your PC to the same network. Connect your phone and your computer to the same Wi-Fi network. Alright, so to actually show this, you have to click on this eye icon here. Now take note that it's very important that you use your rear camera for this. You use your rear camera, that's the front camera, for this, not the back, to get the best quality. And then you can add maybe a stand to use a tripod stand so that you'll be able to get a stable output, video output. Right, so these are, once you click on this, you can cut it. Then it shows, that's why it's showing now. You can cut it and then this and then. So I think that's all you need to do. Right, so this is my webcam, and then you have good lighting here. If not, you have seen that. Right, so this is me using my phone camera now. And this is my webcam. I think the phone is clearer. It's clearer. So the first thing again said is that you need to download both Iriun on your phone and then on your PC and connect to one hotspot or one internet connection, and then you add it as a source here. And one thing about Iriun before I close is that Iriun also has the ability to add sound too. So I can actually use my phone now to get sound too. So I can click on add, then add input capture, then I can say Iriun 1. Then once I click on OK, I can now select Iriun and then okay. So with this now I can get it. Alright, so if this helped you, please do well to hit the like, subscribe, and also drop comments below. If you want me to cover more OBS tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.